Hi and welcome to this lesson. In this video, we'll have a closer look at the capabilities that this plugin comes with, and we'll also have a look at the plugin documentation to help you become more familiar with the Algolia plugin. So let's jump right in. So the main focus of this lesson is the plugin content box. So this is simply a list of all the elements, data calls, events, and actions that this plugin comes with. And under elements, we have Algolia simple search. And within the design tab, this element can be found within input forms, and it will be this one right here. And this element is placed on the page, and it gives us search capabilities which we can configure within the property editor. But we'll learn more about this in an upcoming lesson. And if you'd like to get more clarification as to what these fields are for, you can simply click on Show Documentation, or you can go ahead and read the documentation of this plugin under Plugin Fields and States. And within this subheading, you will see all the fields explained as you can see here. And then under Data Calls, we have Algolia Result. So this is a data call that is placed within a property editor of a search element in order to define the type of content that you want to retrieve from your Algolia database. And then under Events, we only have this one event. And you can find this event within the workflows by clicking here to add a new event, and then under Elements, it will be this one right here. And this event is used to let you know when the data is already in your Algolia state. And then under Actions, we have the Update Object action. And obviously this action updates an already existing item within your Algolia database. And then next we have the Delete Object action. And obviously this one deletes an existing item. And then next we have an Add Object action. And of course, this one creates a new item within your Algolia database. But in an upcoming lesson, we'll demonstrate how to use these actions within related workflows. Then after that, we have recent searches. And this action simply helps you to get the latest searches. And you can read more about it on the plugin documentation under plugin actions, and it will be point number 1, which is about recent searches. Then the next action is called Set Algolia Settings. And as the plugin documentation shows under point number 3, this action helps you to set search conditions right inside your app without having to go to the Algolia dashboard. Then lastly, we have Algolia Refresh. And as the documentation shows under point number 5, this action helps to refresh the Algolia database after you have added, edited, or deleted something. So in a nutshell, these are all the elements, data calls, events, and actions that come along with Algolia plugin. But please note that this element, as well as this action, will soon be deprecated. And you'll see this change within the next plugin update. So since this element and action will no longer be supported, it's best not to use them. And we will sincerely appreciate it if you could leave a genuine review within this review box, as that will help us know the good or the bad parts about our plugin, and that will assist us in developing more quality plugins that will be to your benefit. And if there's something that you don't quite understand, you can always visit the documentation in order to get more information about it. So I hope that this lesson has helped you become more familiar with Algolia plugin, and I hope that you can now see how it can help your Bubble app. So we can now move on to the next lesson.